Hi guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and yes, all you see here is labels, especially for my kitchen. You can see all my kitchen containers are labeled with these, and I just love them so much. They have been so useful. These ones are from the Savvy and Sorted store, and it comes with 96 chalkboard labels for organizing anything in your house. So these ones I use the most for storage bins, label stickers, or glass bottle labels for jars. They have been great because I live in a small house and I need to keep things organized in order for me to have a less stressful moment when cooking or organizing stuff or looking for stuff. So these ones have been really helpful. They come with this premium liquid chalk marker, which is ideal for decorating, for glass, windows, any material that you could think of. So it's really useful, and it's a pretty bright white, so it will show on any surface. This material makes it really easy to remove in case you want to change positions of the label. So I think that's great, and it's super easy to clean. You just need a wet towel and easily wipe the marker off. So if you guys are looking to organize your kitchen or keep any bottle or storage bin organized and labeled, again, if you have a small home or if you have an open space where you have a lot of storage bins and you don't want to be looking for things one by one, well, labels are good for you, and these ones are the best that you could choose. And that's my point of view.